Ever pondered the possibility of life after death, not in a spiritual sense but through technology? Yes, you heard it right, technology. This is where the concept of necrobotics comes into play. It's a fascinating blend of technology and death, a field that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding about the cycle of life. Necrobotics is unlocking a world where mortality could be redefined, not by divine intervention, but by the sheer power of human innovation. Imagine a world where the end of life doesn't necessarily mean the end of your existence. A world where technology can capture and preserve our essence, our consciousness, our very being. It's a thought that's as provocative as it is intriguing. It challenges our long-held beliefs about death and brings a whole new perspective on what it means to be alive. Intrigued? Let's delve into the fascinating world of necrobotics. Necrobotics is not about zombies or reanimation. It's much more sophisticated and grounded in reality. A fascinating fusion of death, technology, and the persistence of human consciousness, necrobotics is a concept that is as intriguing as it is controversial. To truly understand necrobotics, let's first delve into its origin. The term itself is a portmanteau of necro, meaning death, and robotics, denoting the field of technology dealing with the design, construction, and application of robots. The idea of necrobotics germinated from the question, what if we could extend human consciousness beyond the threshold of death? This daring question led to the theoretical development of necrobotics, a field that explores the possibility of using artificial intelligence and robotics to preserve and extend human consciousness post-mortem. It is a delicate dance between robotics and the human mind, an attempt to blur the lines between life and death, between human and machine. The concept of necrobotics revolves around three main components: artificial intelligence, robotics, and memory preservation. Artificial intelligence is the brain of necrobotics, imbued with the capability to learn, adapt, and evolve. It's designed to mimic human cognition and behavior, to replicate the essence of what makes us human, our consciousness. Robotics, on the other hand, provides the physical manifestation, the shell if you will, housing this replicated consciousness. It's the vessel that carries the torch of human consciousness into the realm beyond death. And then there's memory preservation, the heart of necrobotics. It's the process of storing and preserving human memories digitally, ensuring that the essence of a person, their experiences, their knowledge, their personality, remains intact and accessible even after death. The intertwining of these components forms the backbone of necrobotics, a concept that dares to redefine our understanding of life, death, and the potential of technology. It's mind-boggling to think of the human consciousness living on in machines, isn't it? Imagine a world where death is not the end but a new beginning, a digital afterlife. This isn't just a sci-fi movie plot anymore, it's a real possibility with the emergence of necrobotics. Let's explore the potential implications and applications of this awe-inspiring technology. In healthcare, necrobotics could revolutionize the way we approach end-of-life care. For those with terminal illnesses, the fear of death could be somewhat mitigated. They could find comfort in knowing that they could continue to exist and interact with the world in a digital form. This could also provide a new avenue for grieving families to cope with their loss, offering them a chance to say their goodbyes properly and maybe even continue interacting with their loved ones in a new way. In psychology, necrobotics could open up new ways to study the human mind. By digitizing consciousness, we could gain deeper insights into the workings of our minds and potentially even find solutions to mental health issues that we're still grappling with today. The social sciences, too, could benefit from this technology. Necrobotics could give us a unique perspective on human behavior, society, and culture. It could help us understand how individuals interact with each other and the world around them, even after death. But as we stand on the threshold of this new era, we must also consider the ethical and moral implications of necrobotics. The idea of preserving consciousness after death raises many questions. Who gets to decide who lives on digitally? How do we ensure the digital afterlife is not exploited or abused? How do we navigate the potential emotional toll on those left behind? These are questions we must grapple with as we venture into this uncharted territory. In essence, necrobotics is more than just a technological advancement, it's a philosophical and ethical conundrum. It challenges our understanding of life, death, and what it means to be human. It pushes us to redefine our boundaries and to ponder on the profound implications of a digital afterlife. Necrobotics is not just a technological advancement, it's a philosophical and ethical conundrum. Necrobotics is a field that challenges our understanding of life, death, and what it means to be human. Throughout our exploration of this fascinating field, we've dived into the nitty-gritty of what necrobotics is all about. We've discovered how it fuses the realms of the biological and the mechanical, giving a new lease of life to the lifeless. It's a sphere that's as intriguing as it is thought-provoking, isn't it? We've seen how necrobotics can potentially revolutionize many aspects of our lives. From medical advancements to explorations in harsh, uninhabitable environments, the potential applications seem endless. Imagine a world where organ failure is no longer a death sentence, where we can explore the deepest ocean trenches or the farthest galaxies without risking human lives. That's the world necrobotics could help us build. We also touched upon the challenges this field faces. The technological hurdles are significant, but not insurmountable. With constant innovation, we'll continue to see advancements that push the boundaries of what's possible. But the ethical considerations? Those are a bit trickier. As with any technology that straddles the line between life and death, we need to tread carefully. We need to ask ourselves tough questions and ensure that we're not just pursuing progress for progress's sake. But at the end of the day, the purpose of technology is to serve humanity. So it's up to us to decide how we want to use and shape necrobotics. It's a tool, and like any other tool, its impact will depend on how we wield it. As we wrap up our exploration of necrobotics, let's not stop pondering over the questions it raises. Let's continue to think about its potential, its challenges, and the ethical conundrums it presents, because that's how we grow, learn, and shape the future. Next time you contemplate the great beyond, remember, the future might just be necrobotics. And remember, the future of technology is as thrilling as it is challenging. So let's keep our minds open, our curiosity piqued, and our thirst for knowledge unquenched. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.